We all love a sunny person who is always full of positive energy, uplifting, and full of creative ideas. That energy, that emotion that we are perceiving in such a person is called enthusiasm. But is enthusiasm always a good and positive emotion? Well, imagine that you have in your team a person who comes every day with a lot of positive energy and a lot of ideas. But that person does the same every day. So tomorrow comes again with new ideas, and the day after tomorrow again. How many ideas can you really digest and get to completion as a person and as a team? So are we actually under the influence of enthusiasm generating ideas to get things done, or are we generating them because we love the process of generating idea and feeling ourselves uplifted? This is how enthusiasm can actually hijack our personal productivity and the well-being of people around us. So my encouragement for you, friends, is try to observe, even when you feel uplifted by this so-called positive emotion of enthusiasm, is it really relevant? Is it really aligned with what you are already doing? Is it really helpful? Is it really uplifting for everyone around you, not just for yourself? Basically, is it a quick high from a new possibility, a new idea, or is it a source of energy that can take you forward long term? As any emotion, enthusiasm is a source of energy that can be helpful when it leads to informed behavior, or it can be damaging when we're not aware of its consequences on ourselves and on the people around us. So I encourage you to observe your enthusiasm, but to look at it with a bit more mature eyes and embrace it for what it is. At the end of the day, it is also an emotion, and it is only us who decide what emotion and the behavior that we apply on it, how it's going to be constructive for our lives and for the lives of those around us.